Hello students, we were discussing about chapter number 12, growing plant. In that, we were discussing about vegetative reproduction. It means growing a new plant from different parts of the plant body. In that, we have already discussed about the new plant growing from root and underground stem like potato, ginger, onion. Now let's move to the next topic of the same chapter, that is new plant from leaves. There are various categories of the plant. They grow from the leaf itself and they are called as bryophyllum plants. The category of the plant that grow from the leaf is called as bryophyllum plant. It is having the buds on the edges of its leaves itself. If you observe the leaf of a bryophyllum, you could observe at the edge, means end of these leaves, the buds are present that can grow the new plant. And when these leaves cut off from the tree or the plant and fall down on the ground, these birds, if they get the proper moisture, air, sunlight, they start growing on the leaf itself, and further they merge or they immerse into the soil and convert into the new plant. So here you could see leaf of bryophyllum. When it fall down on the soil or the ground, in the moisture condition, the new leaves starts growing on the leaf itself, or the new plants start growing on the leaf itself, and further when they grip the soil or immerse in the soil, later they convert into the new plant. And this category of a plant is a bryophyllum plant which grow from the leaf part. The last topic of this chapter, new plants from stem. Stem, earlier we have seen potato and ginger, which is underground stem, but now we are discussing about the stem which is not underground, which is present above the ground, like some of the flowers like rose, hibiscus, bougainvillea, sugarcane, cotton. These are some of the examples of the stem that bears the buds itself. इन प्लांट्स की बर्ड्स स्टेम में होती है. If we saw the stems directly into the soil, we will get the new plant. Or you could see, if the stem, just example, take a example of a rose plant. If we cut the stem of a rose plant, and if this stem we saw into the soil, after few days you will observe the leaves will start appearing on the stem part, and finally this stem of a plant get convert into the new rose plant that bears the flowers. In this way, the sugarcane can be grown, cotton can be grown, hibiscus can be grown, and bougainvillea also can be grown. So, if we plant a stem cutting into the soil, after a few days the stem cutting grows into a new plant. In this way, this is the next vegetative method of growing of the plant. Now let's move to the exercise. Number A question, tick the correct answers. Which of the following is not an agent of dispersal? Dispersal of a seed, when we have studied about the 4 agents. Out of these, which is not the agent? Water, wind, soil. And the correct answer for this question is soil. Soil is not the agent of dispersal of a seeds. Moving to the next question, Xanthium seeds are dispersed by the seeds having the hook-like structure that fixes on the body of animals. So, xanthium seeds are dispersed by animals. In the bryophyllum plant, buds are present on the edges of. Now, just we have seen in the bryophyllum category, the buds are present on the edges of leaves. Dispersal of balsam seeds takes place by. Balsam seeds are very tiny seeds which can spread easily by the explosion of fruit. Next, fill in the blanks. Most dash reproduce through seeds. Question number 2, fill in the blanks. Most dash reproduce through seeds, and the answer is most plants. Most plants reproduce through seeds. Moving on to the next. Flowers wither and changes into. As we know, flowers always changes into fruits, converts into fruits. Next, join the dots and complete the pictures, then color them, also write their names. This is homework for you. Then very short answer questions. Name any two seeds that are dispersed by wind. Wind dispersal technique. With the help of wind, you need to write any two category of seeds. The lighter seeds spread easily with the help of wind. So, Madar seeds, I could say, MADAR, Madar seeds, Heptage or Dandelion. These are some of the examples of seeds that spread with the help of wind. Name two plants that grow from the roots. Any two plants that grow from roots. The first we can say sweet potato. Also dahlia and asparagus. DAHLIA and asparagus. ASPARAGUS. These are the plants that grow from their roots. The remaining questions, question number E and F, I will share with you through the PDF. Thank you.